Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 48 of Build the Valentino Rossi MotoGP bike. It says it's hydraulic pipework, and it's got 3 different lengths of hydraulic, just normal piping. Yeah, it's got a dummy nut and some couplings, bracket maybe. But yeah, once again going to be going onto this engine, so just carrying on kind of construction around this engine, main engine part, framing. Yeah, it's still nicely very nicely detailed, carbon effect with these nuts, dummy nuts on it. Yeah, it looks very, very nice. It is going to look, it's very detailed, isn't it? But yeah, just going to be getting this fitted onto this main engine part. This will be the build for issue 48. Okay, so we've got to measure these out. One of these is 50mm. I've got the 50mm part, and this is just going to get pushed onto this round end, this hydraulic pipe work. So yeah, just in case of pushing one end onto this, just secure it on. There we go. So that's quite simple. Pushed on. Then we get these smaller and the longest. These are quite simple. One's 45, one's 95mm. And you kind of identify which way around this goes. It's that way around. Looking at the picture, the 45mm goes on the top part of this, if you like. So yeah, like that. And the longer one, the 95mm, goes on the bottom part, or the one that's at a slight angle. It looks like that when it's complete. Then bringing over this bracket, and you install this. You're going to install this onto this bracket. The 95mm, the longer part, going away from it, out the so like that. Kind of goes like that, yeah, the 95mm one going out the way. 45mm comes round and attaches to this one on the top. The 45mm one kind of comes round like that. I'll move the camera up a little bit. Yeah. 45mm one comes round and goes up to the top part there. Bringing over the engine again. The hydraulic pipe, which is this one, the red ends, the anodized ends. Okay, that kind of goes in there. Yes. It says you can use a bit of glue, but to be honest with you, this is going on quite tight. So that kind of goes on that right there. So the pipe goes there, up into the that way. Well, that's what it shows in the picture. Then we've got this that we've just been working on, and this goes on once again onto the left hand side as well. Somewhere around here. Half the time. It's identifying where these go. Okay, so it looks like it's going to go there and there. And just gets pushed in. Quite solid that is actually, that's alright. And finally we've got another dummy nut, and this is going to go into, I think, just here. Yep, just there. Okay. Yeah. That's everything for 48. Okay, so that was issue 48 there of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yep, more engine kind of detailing with hydraulic hoses and couplings. Issue 49, bet it's more engine bits. Right hand fairing, support and guides. Oh, right. But once again, I guess that's, yeah, it's just going to be going onto the frame, isn't it? So it's just some fairing supports and stuff, but it is going to be going onto the frame. So more kind of working on the main part we are at the moment. That will be issue 49, and that'll be coming up soon.